Continuation of previous class. E-banking. E-banking is also called online banking or internet banking or net banking. It allows customers to conduct financial transactions on a secure website. Types of e-banking: automatic teller machine, ATM, mobile banking, telephone banking, and internet. ATM machines are electronic cash machines that normally allow you to perform withdrawal of cash using debit cards. The customers can access any nearby ATM machine for this, which eliminates visit to a bank or financial institution. Mobile banking. Using this facility, customers can access their accounts and perform transactions through their mobile phones. Telephone banking. This service helps the user to perform transaction while sitting at home by calling the designated number of a concerned bank. Internet banking. Internet banking or online banking allows banking activities like transferring funds, paying bills, checking account balance, etc. through the internet on a computer or a smartphone. Advantages of e-banking. It helps reduce paperwork. E-banking provides round-the-clock service during all days of a month. It saves time. Limitations of e-banking. Security is one of the major concerns of e-banking transactions. Cost of providing e-banking infrastructure is very high. E-payments. Debit card. A debit card is like a digitalized version of a check. It is linked to the bank account, and when there is a transaction, money is debited from the bank account. Credit card. A credit card allows you to borrow money from your bank to make purchases. E-money is also called electronic money, is a digital form of cash. E-money can be held on cards, devices, or on a server. Examples of e-money are Paytm, PayPal, and State Bank Buddy. Our next topic is netiquette. The internet, just like the world we live in, has certain rules that people should follow. Netiquette is a special set of manners that need to be followed while using the internet. The rules are: spell check what you have written to help others understand you correctly. Do not use all caps in your mails or online messages because it is considered shouting. Be truthful in the information you provide online. Respect other people's views even if you don't agree with them. Safety on internet. Internet is a wonderful place and can be a lot of fun besides being an amazing source of useful information. However, at times it can also be dangerous and harmful, just like the world outside. The rules for safety are: do not give out personal information on internet like your address, telephone number, parents' work address, or name and location of your school without your parents' permission. If you join a game or chat group on the internet with your parents' permission, you should never give out your password to anyone in that group. Some more rules. You have to tell your parents right away if you come across any information that makes you feel uncomfortable. Do not send your pictures or personal data on the internet to anyone without asking your parents. Do not respond to any messages that in any way makes you feel uncomfortable. Always communicate with your parents so that together you can set up rules for going online.